Morning everyone, and I'm Shaurya and I will show you how to operate this 3D printer. So first we go to prepare, then we go to auto auto home. But right now,
Click it, no problem.
right now everything's at home. So that's why this thing will not affect it. Then after you click auto home, wait till it does that. Now go to preheat PLA and just it's already preheating. See these numbers 185, 200, 50 to 60. So when this board need to be completed for preheat PLA to be done. Then after this is done, we'll go up to back, go there, go to print and choose the file minus this. So but first you have to wait till the preheat is done, then we can do the 200 done. Now is 56. So just need to wait for some more time. 57, 58, 59, 60. So preheat is completed. So now we'll go back. Now we'll go to the thing. Mine was this one, Shaurya. So I click it. So now it's starting to print. So why is it showing the printing time?
After one layer printed, the printing time will be shown.
So now it's making the border, which is going to use. So it's orange color because of the orange material we have here. But then when this is run out, we can have white or black, maybe in different colors. Now